Hey Lindsay, you got a second to talk? So, as you know, here at Mr. Sparky, safety is our number one core value. Now, as I was doing my safety inspection, I noticed that your smoke detectors are expired. Now, there are two visual signs that your smoke detector is expired. The first one is a born-on date. Now, the National Fire Prevention Agency and the manufacturers have put a born-on date on the back of all smoke detectors since 1999. And what you can do with this is be able to tell at 10 years when your smoke detector is expired. Now, the second way is the yellow discoloration to your smoke detector. Now, that smoke detector has a smoke chamber inside of it, and inside that chamber is radioactive particles that have little connections going between them, and those connections, when they get broke, it can be broke by smoke, dust, dander, hair, you name it. If it breaks the connection, it will trigger the alarm to go off. Now, after so long of it being up, those radioactive particles start to decay and dissipate into the plastic of your smoke detector, and that's what causes the yellow discoloration to your smoke detector. Now, it's been proven that at 5 years, the smoke detector will have lost 50% of its capability of being able to detect a fire. Now, there's two separate types of smoke detectors. The one you have here is an ionization type smoke detector, which is really good at detecting the fast flaming fires. The other type is a photoelectric, which is really good at detecting the slow smoldering fires. Now, the ionization, it doesn't detect the slow smoldering fires anywhere as quickly as the photoelectric will, and slow smoldering fires are what the vast majority of house fires in the U.S. are caused from. So we recommend a dual sensing smoke detector, and with the dual sensing smoke detector, you'll get not only the benefits of the fast burning or fast flaming fire detection, but you'll also get the benefits of the slow smoldering fire detection. Do you have any questions for me?